Hello, little learners. Today we're learning something super fun called contractions. Contractions are like magic because two words become shorter and join together. What are contractions? A contraction is a shorter way to say two words together. We use a tiny mark called an apostrophe to replace missing letters. Instead of saying I am happy, we can say I'm happy. Instead of saying do not run, we can say don't run. Instead of saying I can not swim, we say I can't swim. Instead of saying it is raining, we can say it's raining. Instead of saying we are friends, we can say we're friends. How contractions work. Contractions are made by joining two words, removing letters, adding an apostrophe. We are. Remove letter A and add apostrophe. Now have a look at the common contraction list. Contractions make words shorter, quicker, and fun to say. Now you know the magic of contractions. See you in the next lesson.